Hello guys, this is DB Reviews and I'm going to show you how I have fixed Mi 13 inches laptop. The thing that actually helped me was to put the oil. I will put just one drop because it's working good right now, but I am going to it's going to be just one drop. You can see how does the oil has rounded the area, and supposedly it should go below the fan, because right now it does not do anything, but when it goes below this front surface, it should actually make a difference. But it didn't solve the issue. So what actually solved the issue in my case was that I removed the distances. You can see I have left just one here, but they've been 1, 2, 3, 4 places. So I have removed those 3 and I have left just this one. This element, this whole casing for the fans, it is in contact with the fans. So once I removed these rubbers, loosen a little bit this screw, I've put something that would make a distance between fan and the casing. And since then I didn't have much problem with it. So to sum up all the things, first thing you should do, put an oil here. If it doesn't help, try to remove the rubber from these places. I have left just this one. And if it still does not help, try to loosen this screw and put a distance between casing and the fan. Put something between the front of the casing. It should make more space for fans to work, and hopefully it will solve the problem for you as it did for me. Yeah, so this was DB Reviews, and I hope you enjoyed this video.